A heated towel rail is a great way of storing your towels, keeping them soft and warm. We recommend hiring a professional to plumb in the radiator. But if you are comfortable with more complex DIY, fixing it to the wall may be something you wish to do for yourself. You will need an adjustable spanner, a Phillips head screwdriver, spirit level, pencil, tape measure and a power drill. Once the radiator is out of the box, remove the plugs from each corner. Now fit the chrome air vent cap and plug, then finish with the spanner, taking care not to over tighten. Measure the distance between the bolt holes on the rear side of the radiator, as well as between the foot of the radiator and the bottom bolt holes. With the radiator in the desired position, mark the height on the wall in pencil. Now, working from the height mark, measure the distance between the bolt holes and then mark this on the wall too. After checking that the marks are level, measure the distance once more to ensure they are correct. Carefully drill holes using an appropriate drill bit for the surface. Measure the distance between the top and bottom screw holes, mark this on the wall and check that your lines are level. Check the measurements at the bottom are also correct and level, and then drill the second pair of holes. Remove the retaining screw from the 4 hanging brackets and attach the radiator mounts to the fixings. Using appropriate wall plugs, attach the 4 wall mountings and then make sure that these are level. Hang the radiator on the wall using the fixed wall mounts, and once you are happy with the position, secure it with the retaining screws. Valves are sold separately on our website. Check if you need vertical or horizontal valves depending on where your pipes are located.